Hey, hello everyone. So today I'm going to quickly tell you how to book the COVID slots for any vaccination you need in a very quicker way, and you don't have to do the manual stuff altogether. So yeah, let's get to it, and yeah. So let's get today. I'm going to take the help of some extensions in Chrome. So yeah, let's so yeah, when you will enter like Google Chrome, just type COVID booking extension, and when you hit enter, so you will have extension like this. Just click on this extension, add it to your Chrome. Okay, so it will ask the permission. So once it's added, you will be able to see it here or in this extension bar, like you see the COVID booking, right? Okay, so in the similar manner, also add this extension, which is COVID vaccine slot checker India. This has this particular logo, so just add this as well. Add extension. Okay, so now extension is adding is done. So 50% of our work is done. So now go to Cowin dot gov dot in, which is our official website for uh, COVID booking. So just click on register yourself, and once you do that, this is your way of manual registration where you will enter manually your number and all that, right? So here you will get edit autofill option, right? So just give a number like uh, so this suppose this is my number. Just give some pin code. Okay, name of the state, Karnataka. Okay, just give the district name BBMP, or you can put whatever the district you want to. So slot, just keep the slot like this. Pin code, remove the pin code and put district. Refresh interval. Try to make it 3 or 4 seconds. Just skip all these. Skip days should be 0. Just leave all these, and if you want to book for 18 plus, select 18 plus, and if you want to book the vaccine for 45 plus age, just select this. So it works for both. So as I am trying to book for 18 plus, let me check the 18 plus thing. Covishield, Covaxin, and whatever the options, right? So Sputnik is not there as of now, so we will leave that. And paid and free, so you can select accordingly. And then these last three enables us to book the vaccine, or enables the tool to book the vaccine. So once you click on save changes, so I will have my OTP, and once the OTP is there, you have to enter the OTP. Okay. So once I enter the OTP, it will yeah. So it will autofill all the details, and if you have any, it will auto check all the slots, and it will book if any slot is available. So this so normally, if you are doing it normally, you have to fill all these and select all these options, and then only you will be able to book the vaccine. But this tool helps you to automate all this, and once it's done, it will automatically book if the slot is available. So this is the way you can use it. And yes, how you will get to know when the slot is available is using the next tool. Yeah, so it will try searching it again and again, and if it doesn't or if it doesn't work, then it will give you an error on the bottom left side, that it's enable or try again, something like that. So in that scenario, you just log out or close the whole page and try after 3 minutes. So yeah, so you can try in every after 3 minutes, that is the thing. And how you will get to know when the vaccine is available is using this particular tool. So this particular tool helps you to or alert you when there is a vaccine available. So you can just put all these, and if you're selecting for 18, put 18, or if you're doing for 45 plus, then select accordingly. Put as district, because district has like good chances of getting the vaccine booked. So search according to the district. put the notification type default, choose if it's the dose 1 or dose 2, and then yeah, so this will be any, and this will be 1, mostly keep it 1, and submit. So as you can see that this gave me a result of the doses available right in and around BBMP district. So if you select for age 18, it will check accordingly. So yeah, this is the way you can check. So this tool will tell you when the vaccine slots are available, and this particular tool will help you to get all the information checked in, right? So this is a very helpful tool, and it will help you to uh, book the slot in a very faster manner rather than doing the manual thing altogether. So I hope this video helps you and gives you gets you the slot, but it will only help wherever the slots are open. So in few states, in AP and in Telangana, I think only few slots are available. But in Karnataka, I get we have good number of slots. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching this video.